Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Jansport backpack in brown, the Jansport Main Campus Backpack in Army Green. This backpack has earned its reputation as a versatile and reliable companion for travel, work, and daily use. Whether you're a student, commuter, or someone who just needs a durable bag, this pack offers a great balance of style, comfort, and organization. Starting with its design, the Main Campus Backpack features two spacious main compartments. This gives you plenty of room to organize your essentials without the bag feeling bulky or cumbersome. It's perfect for carrying everything from textbooks to work materials, and the additional front pocket with a full organization panel means smaller items like pens, chargers, and keys have their own dedicated space. There's even a small top stash pocket for quick access to items you need on the go. One of the standout features is the dedicated padded laptop compartment. This sleeve fits laptops up to 15 inches and includes a zip closure to keep your device secure and protected. Whether you're heading to class, the office, or a coffee shop, you can trust that your laptop stays safe while remaining easily accessible. Comfort is a key factor in any backpack, and the Main Campus doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with ergonomic S-curve shoulder straps that help distribute weight evenly across your shoulders, reducing strain during long days. The back panel is fully padded and paired with air mesh backing to boost breathability, so you won't feel overheated when carrying heavy loads. Staying hydrated is simple thanks to the side mesh water bottle pocket, designed to stretch and accommodate larger bottles. On top of that, side compression straps help cinch down the load when your backpack is fully packed, keeping everything snug and balanced. Jansport is known for its durability, and the Main Campus is crafted with 100% recycled undyed liner material that's both tough and eco-friendly. The leather lashing square adds a classic touch, while cord zipper pulls make accessing your compartments smooth and easy. In terms of size, the backpack measures 17 by 12.5 by 7 inches, providing a total capacity of 32 liters. Despite its spacious interior, it weighs just over 1.5 pounds, making it surprisingly lightweight for the amount of storage it offers. If anything breaks, they'll fix or replace it, no questions asked. This commitment ensures your investment is protected over time. In summary, the Jansport Main Campus Backpack in Army Green combines thoughtful organization, laptop protection, ergonomic comfort, and durable materials into one sleek package. It's a versatile backpack that fits a wide range of needs, from school to everyday use, and with its timeless design. It's a practical yet stylish choice for anyone looking for a reliable bag. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a backpack that offers plenty of space, comfort, and lasting quality, the Jansport Main Campus might just be the perfect fit for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.